Good morning, sunshines. No.
Morning. Ow.
Car's coming.
Seriously, Daddy? There's your nose of this thing.
There you go.
Gotta really
Go.
take your nose of the skin. Hi, Georgie. Hi, Georgie.
Hello. All right.
Can you turn your lights down? The lighting is so bad.
Let's go.
So that speed bump killed. So I have to, excuse you, honey. I have to go get some hair to do my hair because I hate wigs. I am not a wig person, but I only do it because I am growing out my hair, growing out my natural hair. And as of right now, I don't know how to rock natural hair. I really don't know how to do it. You know, it's not like my hair is at a point where, oh, you can get a blowout or anything like that. It's really short because I cut it off in February. So, like bald head. I'm going to insert a picture here. Yeah, I was completely bald headed. So, right now we're going to his mom's house to go barbecue in the middle of fall. Smack dab in the middle of fall. This is why I'm telling you about my husband, is that he does not care when it is. We're barbecuing. We are barbecuing for no reason. So,
You can show them what we cook later.
yeah, I'm gonna show y'all him barbecuing out in the cold. Like, if any of you guys, husband or wife, barbecues boyfriend, fiance, baby daddy, significant other, spouse, what else they call them, common law, anybody's partner barbecues in the middle of whenever. It could be a thunderstorm, it could be whatever. If anyone does that, comment down below and tell me why. Just explain to me why, so that I can put that to rest, because I feel like my husband is the only odd one out. But we're gonna go do that. And I have the baby buys are going up. I have to do that video. And I also have to do my pregnancy update, because I will be 5 weeks. So I didn't do 4 weeks. I didn't do that. I skipped that one because evidently I plugged in the microphone, and by the time I recognized that the microphone was not turned on, it was too late. So I was like, you know what? I'm not even gonna bother. So I just did the baby buy, and that was it. So I'm gonna do my 5-week pregnancy update, and also, see, I'm cracking right here. And also, what else? Pregnancy brain, people. I can't remember anything. I can't remember what I'm talking about, and I like our #1 fans and stuff like that. I thank you guys so much. And there's a lot of trees on cars. There's a lot of trees on cars and stuff. But it's still you got time to put up the trees. Some people put up their tree like last week. Yeah, last week into the day before. Yeah. Let me turn you around so you guys can see hubby. They're gonna have hubs. So yeah. I was so hungry last night. It was not even funny. I had heartburn like it was nobody's business. And then to make that worse, I got up at 3 o'clock and made me some noodles. There's Chinese noodles. Those are the bomb. The hot sauce with the hot sauce thingy on it. It was like really the big soup noodles, and they were like really spicy. That was the bomb. The bomb. I enjoyed that, and it was like heaven. It was heaven. So those are my new obsessions right now. Are the big soup noodles, the spicy ones. That's my new obsession. Soup, any soup. I don't care what it is. Any soup. Any soup. I love soup. So as long as it's spicy. So yeah, but I'll catch up with you guys once we're at his parents. So that this video is not so long. I'm not even gonna call it a vlog. I'm pretty sure someone does too. Other than you, I'm pretty sure. But my hands is cramping up. I look like a damn... I'm gone. Bye guys.
It's beautiful, isn't it? That's what we do. And we still got some steak to put on there. It's just that the steak is really quick because they're the ribs. So they only take like 2 or 3 minutes on each side. And we got some Argentinian sausages.
It's your parents' food.
We got some turkey. Huh? What type of food?
That's your parents.
We got some turkey. Nice turkey, look at that. Yeah, put that jump back.
Marcelo?
Eh?
Turkey?
That's turkey. Okay, what?
In the house.
Yeah.
You're warmer than me.
We're miners! We're mining for gold! We're miners and we mine for gold.
Where's your jacket?
Inside the house.
You really
For
want people-
life!
Okay. Where's your sister? What are you doing? Where's your sister?
In the back.
What is she doing? What is Sissy doing?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
Destiny. Where's Destiny? In the back.
Where are you going? Going in your car? No? You're not going for a spin? No? What are you going to do? Oh, Destiny's driving? You don't have your driver? Pull. Pull harder. Pull. Pull harder. It's just stuck. Pull.
I'm trying.
You're not trying hard enough. There you go. You have your juice in your cup holder? Close your door. I'll close it for you. Oh, you waiting for Sissy? Oh, she's driving? You're driving?
Yeah.
Okay. Did Grandpa charge the battery?
No.
Oh. So where are you guys off to?
There. To the McDonald's store.
To McDonald's?
Yeah.
Okay. What are you guys gonna get?
I don't know.
Oh.
I forgot the meal.
Okay.
Okay, let's go to the store. Wait.
Alright.
We're at the store.
What are those two doing back there digging up people's yard? Why y'all digging up your grandparents' yard?
No, they said
said we can do.
Oh, they said you could dig up back there? Okay.
Yeah, because there's all mold. See that stuff? It's disgusting.
Okay.
It's disgusting. So we're digging it up. And we're trying to find new soil.
What are you doing?
Musting the food I'm getting.
Are you ordering the food?
I'm going to the store and then McDonald's.
Mommy,
Okay.
let me show you something. We found treasure. Come.
Okay.
Actually, we didn't, but I'm going to show you a trick. I'm going to show you a trick. Can I show you the trick? Juice. Come. Let me show you my trick. My trick. Look, point it at the ground.
Uh-huh. Oh, wow.
I could do it. I could do it. I could do it. Ta-da!
You guys ain't doing nothing but throwing around the tools. Okay.
Okay, give us 10,000 likes. We will give you 10,000 coins.
Oh, you dropped that phone.
Alright.
We will not do that. We'll give you 10,000 money. And gold, we'll go. And dollars.
You have brown eyes.
And $100 and 100 coins. And
You
you'll be
have brown
rich.
eyes.
You'll be rich if you give us 10,000.
Oh, wait, Mommy. This hook.
Let me see your eyes. Are they brown?
No.
Let me see them. And come in this. Who's coming this one? Let me see. Not your teeth. Oh yeah, you do have brown eyes.
Wait, listen. This yard is called Messed Up Yard. Because we mess up it.
And we get thousands of gold if you survive.
Okay.
If
You're
you
not cold?
No.
I'm the one making this statue.
Señorita.
Turkey.
Señorita.
Steak.
Señorita.
And lasagna all cooked on the grill. My husband cooks lasagna on the grill.
I've never seen lasagna you
Cooked
before.
on the grill.
Never.
Well,
You never eat
you seen
lasagna.
lasagna on the grill today.
You never eat lasagna.
On the grill.
On the grill.
No.
You know.
You guys ready to eat?
Yeah, I'm ready to drink.
Well,
I said no drink, no drink.
I'm not drinking it now.
Before you eat.
That's why I went hot sauce.
Pero hay algunas que están cortadas ya, que son para niños.
Yeah, steak.
I don't have a choice. Can't just go over there and watch the TV all day.
whose food you're cutting up?
Jackson's.
You're taking Mommy's place. You're taking Mommy's
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yeah? You're just cutting his food.
Jordan, are you doing it?
No.
Then be quiet.
Que te calle la boca.
Put it down.
Jordan,
Thank you.
you daddy said cállate la boca. You know?
What happened to the knife?
Don't answer him, you already know. You just say, okay.
Really? You're going to lick your finger while cutting his food? I'll do it. I'll do it.
Just stick it out.
I got it. I got it, Mommy. Okay. So we're going to sing a happy birthday to Jaxson and Jordan on 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear Jaxson Jordan. Happy birthday to you. Boom, boom. How old